Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to create custom themes in Google Slides. This tutorial will be very quick, straightforward, and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if this is your first time using Google Slides, you're a beginner, or even if you're just not familiar with the whole interface of Google Slides, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Also, if you are interested, we already uploaded a how-to guide for beginners in our YouTube channel in using the different Google softwares such as Google Docs and Google Sheets. We also have separate tutorials for all of those mentioned Google softwares, which is uploaded or compiled in our dedicated playlist in our YouTube channel. So if you are interested in watching those, please do check our YouTube channel, and if you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you would be notified on every upload that we made. Now, as you can see, I'm currently in my Google Slides file, but before starting, I must warn you that you need to update your Google Chrome or the browser that you are using to the latest version, and this is for the reason that we can avoid any unexpected errors if we do so. Now, as you can see, in my previous tutorial, I have taught you on how you can open the Slides Master, in which we edited the headers on our slides. As you can see, we have all of the set headers right over here. We changed the font, we changed the text formatting in general. But in today's video, I will be showing you how you can add background colors, you can add shapes, and many more. Now, to open the custom themes, all you have to do is to head over to the upper panel of your screen and click on the Slides tab right over here. Click on it once, and as you can see, it will drop down tons of options that we can choose from, and all you have to do is click on Edit Theme. And now, as you can see, we can open our Slides Master once again, and from here we can actually change the theme to make it into our liking. Now, as you can see, if I click on the theme, it will highlight all of the slides on our left side. What this means is that everything that we change in this canvas right over here will be applied to all of the slides that follows. Now, if we would like to change the background color of our slides, all I have to do is to click on background right over here and then change the color if I want to. Let's say, for example, this one. And if you want to make your background into an image, you can choose an image here from your computer or your Google Drive. But in my case, I would just like to change it to this color blue and click on Done. And now, as you can see, all of our slides background will turn into blue because we have set our custom theme for its background to be in color blue. Now, you can also add shapes if you would like. Let's say, for example, I want my header to have this kind of shape. Now, let's say, for example, I want a picture of our logo as well on our YouTube channel. I will resize it and then move it right over here. And now, as you can see, if I close this tab or this canvas by pressing the X button right over here, all of the following slides will contain this shape and this image as well. And we cannot edit these because it is now part of the theme of our slides. If you wish to edit those, you just need to go back to the Slides tab, to the Edit Themes tab, and then from here you can delete it one by one. And it's as simple as that. We can create our custom theme on our Google Slides. And if you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.